Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Ma'am Rukmo and everyone. We are from Group 2 and we will present our topic, Political Control in Cocoa Plants. Our member is Yusuf Arifin, Muhammad Izyach W, and Amanda Faiza Anjani. Cocoa Fruit Borers, Conopomorpha cramerella. According to Carl Sagan, 1981, cocoa fruit borers are classified as follows: Kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Lepidoptera, infraorder Heteroneura, family Gracilariidae, genus Conopomorpha. The eggs are orange, flat, and oval in shape. The egg stadia is 6 until 9 days and is laid on the cocoa pod. The length of the larva stage is 15 until 18 days and consists of 3 until 5 instar. Adult insects are brown, and on the forewings there is a white zigzag pattern, measuring about 7 mm long. Cocoa fruit borers are active at the night. The ability to lay eggs is 50 until 100 grains. Cocoa fruit borers life cycle is 26 until 35 days. Symptom of attack: infected fruit show symptom of early ripening with green-yellow strip. If the fruit is shaken, it does not sound like a normal ripe fruit. On the surface of the fruit skin there is a small hole, and if the fruit is split, the larva will appear. Eggs are laid on the skin of the fruit. Then larvae enter the cocoa fruit and will eat the placenta, causing the seed to not form completely, so that it makes the cocoa beans are small, not pithy, black, and stick to each other. Biological control of cocoa fruit borers began using black ants as natural enemies of imago of the cocoa fruit borers. To increase the population of black ants, it is necessary to make nests from fold plum leaf or cocoa leaves and hang them on the branch. Biological control of cocoa fruit borers can be done by using predatory larvae of cocoa fruit borers, including Lycophylla, Anoplolepis, Crematograster, Dolichoderus, and spider. And we can control with entomopathogenic fungi such as Beveria bassiana, Penicillium acotalacmus, Fertilium, Fusarium, and Picaria. It can also be done using entomopathogenic nematodes such as Steiner nema, Carpocapsae.
Philopeltis spp. According to Calsofen 1981, the classification of Philopeltis spp are as follows: Kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, ordo Hemiptera, family Miridae, genus Melopeltis, species Philopeltis sp. Philopeltis lacks are that leave lots of set. The eggs are white, oval, and about 1.5 mm long. Eggs are laid on fruit skin, fruit stalk, shoots, leaf sac, or twig. Imago measuring 6 to 8 mm, capable of laying up to 200 eggs, and egg about 57 days. Symptoms of attack. On the surface of the fruit, there are blackish brown puncture marks. If it attacks young fruit, plus minus 8 cm, then the fruit becomes dry and dies. If the fruit is still developing, then the surface of the fruit skin is cracked and wrinkled. Meanwhile, the attack on the shoots causes wilting and then death. The twig dry up. Biological control. Util, utilization of black ant, Dolichoderus thoracitus. To increase the ant population, it is necessary to install artificial nests made of dry cocoa leaves or coconut leaves, which are placed on the branches. Utilization of APH Beveria bassiana at the dose of 1 to 1.5 kg solid culture per hectare or 50 to 100 grams spores per hectare with a spray volume of 500 liters per hectare. MS application by way of root infusion to increase plant vigor, sparing vegetable pesticide with extracts neem, tobacco, babadotan, and sorsup ex- with a concentration 2.5 to 5%. Branch Bird, Zooxera coffeae, according to Aini et al. 2016, Zooxera coffeae is classified as follows: Kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Lepidoptera, family Cocidae, genus Zooxera, species Zooxera coffeae. The eggs are pale yellow and oval in shape. The egg period is 10 to 11 days. Eggs are light in group on the surface of the trunk of branches. The imago is mottled with translucent white furring and blue-black spots, capable of laying up to 348 to 966 eggs. The egg-to-imago stage takes 3 to 4 months. Symptom of attack. Cacao branches that the drilled will the hulls and on the surface of the hull. It is will be larvae, dropping entrance of hoist plant parts above the borehole will dry and die, especially on small branches. Toward the pupa stage, the larva makes a hoist cavity in transverse direction at the end of the hoist until it approaches the bark of branch. A larva can drill more than one borehole. Biological control. Application of bioverbaceae with a spore density of 106 spores per milliliter into the hoist hull using a hand sprayer. Then the hull is closed. MSAPH application by means of root infusion to increase plant vigor. Kiln Caterpillar. According to Hidayah et al. 217, Kiln experienced special kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, ordo Lepidoptera, family Geometridae, genus Hipposidra, species Hipposidra talaca. The eggs are light green and brown in shape. Eggs are laid off the surface of the stem or branch of Lamtoro, cocoa or other plants. The egg stage is 5 to 6 days. Imago H. Talaca is a gray or brown butterfly that is active at night and is able to lay 500 to 200 eggs. Development from egg to imago about 24 to 32 days. Symptoms of attack. The leaves are hollow and in heavy attack the plant becomes bald. A very significant loss occurs if the caterpillar attacks the cacao seedlings. Biological control. Spraying vegetable pesticide, leaf extract, neem, tobacco, babadotan, and sorsup X with a concentration of 2.5 to 5%.
Caesarellidia leaf beetle. Eggs are laid on the leaf surface in groups, and after hatching, the larvae will eat the leaves in groups. Beetles have very hard body skin and four limbs. The leaf beetle has 5 segments on the legs with a 5-5 pattern. Attack symptoms. The cacao shoots eaten by leaf beetles will have holes, then some will die and dry up, while the surviving shoots will develop into abnormal leaf with permanent holes. Beetle attacks will interfere with plant photosynthesis and will indirectly affect the process of flower formation and fruit filling, thereby reducing cocoa productivity. If this leaf beetle attack occurs in the seed, the resulting loss will be even higher. For biological control, spraying vegetable pesticides, for example leaf extract, by neem, tobacco, babadotan, and sorsup, or each with a concentration of 2.5 until 5%. It can also be controlled using natural enemies such as woodpeckers, braconid, racemid, and Phacelia cochiana. The biological agent Bioferribacena is also known to be effective in controlling this pest. The application technique using Bioferribacena spores was carried out by inserting a suspension of fungal spores into the active pore of a hand sprayer. Thank you. If you have any questions, please ask us on Spada or WhatsApp group.